Hi everyone, hope everyone's having an awesome week, and I just wanted to share some crafts that I created this past couple of weeks. So as you've seen in my previous videos, I've been making a lot of Valentine themed cards and wine tags and whatnot. So this one, instead of making a regular A2 greeting card, I made the slimline card, and this measures, let me see, where's my ruler? This measures, the base of this, measures at 3 1/4 by 6 1/4 approximately. And I just thought it was really cute to create all this, especially if you have those 6x6 paper stack cards that's already designed just for this style. And you just cut that in half. Inside I just punched out a little heart from the paper, designer paper, and I think that's, so I stamped my name on the back. I also have the envelope. I used to make my own envelopes, but now a lot of ladies have been showing that you can go ahead and just buy the number 6 3/4 meat envelopes. There's 40 in here at the Dollar Tree, so which I've gone and purchased a box of those, and it just makes it so much easier. I too can decorate if I want to for more an embellished look if I want, but I think these are perfect to give to your loved ones, and especially your one and only. This is a wine tag. I've done some tutorials on my previous videos, so you can look on there. And if you guys want or like any of these and you want me to do another tutorial, I could do so. So it's just pretty easy. I put a little, what do you call it, foam tape on the back to make this pop a little bit. And I just stamped to and from, and this is from a washi tape. I forgot which paper collection this was from, but I think it was CK, yeah. And then these little mini envelope treat holders, so they can hold these little mini candies, some goodies in here. Just pop them up with some more designs of embellishment. And New York peppermint York patties also fits in here. Ghirardelli's candies can fit in here. Whatever you guys want to give out for your Valentine treat, I think they would fit in here perfectly. And like I said, these wine tags are a hit, so I do sell these too as well. So I make it into a bundle. So I will, sell one with, it would be 3-piece set like this. And I just think they're so cute. And let's see here. Yeah, I mean, just go through your designer papers and just create as much of cards that you can, or treat holders, so whenever you need a gift to grab for someone, it's right there for you to grab. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please comment and like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.